I have to go to the doctor? Yes, you do, honey. Your father and I are going out, and you just sit over there and wait for the doctor to come. Dad, do I have to go to the doctor? Yes, you do, honey. Your mother and I are going out to a football game, and I don't want you sitting there crying like a baby the whole time. Mom, do I have to go? Please don't let me go. Don't hug me. Okay, let's just go. What happened to you? A lot of things, mostly related to Dr. Quackers. All I have to say is good luck. Dr. Quackers is coming! Don, 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 don. Oh, don't be afraid, you kid. Okay, today, you will be getting a shot. Okay, let's see. So, do you like shots? No, they're absolutely painless. Okay, no, you'll just feel a little pain in a random spot. Turn around, keep turning around. Ow! 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 So, that didn't hurt at all, right? Ow, that other patient was right. Ow. Would you like a Band-Aid? Yes! I'm sorry, we are all out. What? Okay, now let's see here. Let's do something with these tweezers. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Now that didn't hurt at all, again. Okay? Now let's see here. Oh, it looks like there's a few broken bones. Now let's see here. Okay, hold on. This is private work here, okay? So you may not look. Ow. Ow. No, that doesn't look too bad. Ow. Ow. Okay, that's done with your checkup. You are fine now. You must wear that rope for 5 years. 5 years. Oh. Ow. Ow. Ow.